Yo, what's going on, guys? What's everybody doing? All right, we're here for the weekly and the daily close, guys. So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to have a look. All right, so it looks like we're going to probably close below that 4 cent mark unless we get a last minute thing, but 4 cent mark, yeah. But, guys, that's not a bad thing. A good thing is, if we go back over to the daily, we are closing above the moving average. From the looks of it, we're going to close above the moving average. So that is very, very bearish. That's very bullish, right? So here's hoping, because listen, we're going to have, look how tight this range is right now with this moving average as we start the next daily candle in about a minute, right? It's going to be right about here. And the moving average is going to be right below it. And then so it's crammed below the moving average, above the moving average, and just below 4 cents. So that is a mega, mega tight little spot that it's going to be in here, right? For tomorrow's daily candle. So we'll have to see. It's either going to break to the upside or break to the downside tonight, because I mean it's pretty tight. It's a pretty tight like a toiga, right? It's tight like a toiga. So we'll have to see what happens. Boom, there's the new candle on the daily. Go over to the weekly. What are we looking at? Just a hair below 4 cents. Not the worst thing in the world, guys. Not a terrible weekly close. Could have been better, but we're positive though. We're positive. What are we? Yeah, we're just right on that moving average. So let's see what we do. We'll see if we go up or we go down from here, guys. It'll be pretty interesting. Anyway, let's get into the chat, see who's all here, see what's going on out there, guys. What do we got? Okay. So we're gonna have to hop, guys. Make sure you smash the likes and sub to the channel to help us grow. That'd be greatly appreciated. Gig Grifter. Glad I got in at 2034, and to this day I'm DCAing. If I do trade some, I'll leave everything under 1 cent inches put in 2025. Nice. You have a fantastic entry point, my friend. I definitely would hold on to that. Tom, can't sleep. Jasmine got me up all night and day. Can hardly see the screen. Nice. Isaac, what's up, buddy? Let the games begin. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. H Barbarina in the house. What's going on, man? Jasmine trying to push that 4 cent level. Yeah, it's trying. Let's see if we can. We may be able to break above it tonight, guys. We'll see. Funky, opinion, please. I've got Solana and Ondo. I'm in profits on both, but I'm thinking of moving all the Solana and Ondo, or leave it alone, or merge. Or all your Solana to Ondo. Well, if you're green in Solana, you're probably going to get a better ROI on Ondo than you will on Solana for sure. Jasmine, I'm good if we get to 20 to 50 cents. Nice. I hope it happens for you, brother. Patrick, can we get that Rob Father pump? We're trying. Looks like we're starting to. See if we can get that going on, man. This is not a bad consolidation we have here, guys, over the last, 6 days? That's a nice little consolidation that we're forming here. Tara, hey, Rob Father and Jasmine family, what's going on? William, how you doing, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Funky, howdy peeps. Love how the bubble's turning green just as the rain outside stops and the sun is peeking out. Nice. Isaac, Rob, I have a daughter named Jasmine. I find myself more times than not calling her Jasmine by mistake. You just tell her it's just short form for her name. That way she doesn't get wise to it, right? Richard, what's up, buddy? Some big whales bought into Jasmine around current price. One in particular just made a ton on Turbo. Wondering if he has any inside info for this whale's buddies, and are also going to buy and pump us higher. Yeah, I mean, probably. Could be, man. Could be, brother. We're going to stay on top of it, man. It'd be better if we see 3 cents to 2 cents 5 level. Yes, I got some above 3 cents 5, but it's still good. Would be nice to go before 5 to 12 cents. I mean, yeah, for people, I understand what you're saying. Like for people that never got in lower, it would be nice. But I'm of the opinion of, man, we were down at like 204, 205. We were live streaming that stuff for like a year. So people had plenty of opportunity to fill their bags, right? But they were listening to FUD. They were listening to negativity about JASMY. So they missed out. And normally I would feel bad for them, but there was a lot of opportunity for people to fill their bags on JASMY and they just chose not to, right? So if it doesn't close above 4 cents, I think it's still bullish. Of course, we're still in a nice little range here, guys. We're still in a nice range, right? Crypto Paradox, what's up, man? Good to see you. Ankit, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Crypto Holmes in the house. What's going on? Crypto Paradox says, hit that like button, Jasmanians. Yes, absolutely, man. What's up, big dog? Good to see you, brother. Nicholas in the house. David, time is money. We're gonna break the 4 cent this week, 5 cents. Yes, let's go, man. What do you say if I hold my JASMY till 2029 and sell all my Swift this bull run? That's what I'm doing for the most part. I'm holding on to half my JASMY, so it's pretty close to what I'm doing. Let's go JASMY 10 cents by the end of June. Oh, that would be amazing, wouldn't it? Brian, GFI versus Ondo, both. GFI. Well, let's have a look. Let's have a little looky-loo, shall we? GFI. Good old Goldfinch, huh? Well, I mean, I'm looking at the tokenomics. 25, about 25.5%, right? $128 million market cap. If we go over to Ondo. So, I mean, this is what you're looking at, right? More of the supply for Ondo is in circulation, but Goldfinch has a lower market cap. So there's probably a better ROI. That being said, however, I think Ondo can go pretty high as well. Personally, I would go with Ondo if I had to choose. Smells like future millionaires in here. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Time is money. Another day to DCA. The lower your cost average, my bags are filled, but more can't hurt. Exactly, David. Gary, started DCAing into Swift and XCN. What's the minimum amount I should hold for each? I mean, I would try to shoot for at least 500,000 coins of each minimum, right? Rob, I dropped 10K into Dymo. What's your thoughts on Dymo? Well, market cap's reasonably low. 22% of the supply in circulation. That hurts a little bit, but it's tolerable, right? It's on Matic. That's good. It's up 13% on the day. That's nice. All-time high 6 months ago, $1.01. It's a D-pin play. It's on Coinbase. Yeah, you know what? I like it. If it's a long-term hold, I like it. It's a good play for the long term, man. What do we got? Luke, good morning, Rob. XCN got a pump from 2018 to 2002, and JASMY holding strong just under 4 cents. Yes. XCN's looking okay. It's up 6.8% right now. 6.8%. Nice. I didn't even look at my bags. I didn't even know it was up that much. We also got to check out Bitcoin, guys. We have to check Bitcoin. Got to check Bitcoin's weekly close. What does it look like? Well, I mean, closed above the moving averages still, so not too bad. Not a bad little close, not a bad little close. Seems to be keeps bouncing off this resistance though. So if we do this, right, let's have a look at what we can restructure here. See, we've got this level right around there. So it seems like we're just going to kind of ping pong here inside of this range. And we're waiting for, I mean, who knows how long we're going to ping pong here, but we're getting pretty tight with the moving average for Bitcoin on the weekly. Looks like, I mean, from this, it looks like we could ping pong for a little while, but hopefully not. Tristan, good morning, Rob, over in Perth, Western Australia. Nice. Couple of weeks, couple of big weeks. So let's see if it will continue. Yeah, no kidding, man. What do we got? Phoenix. What's up, Phoenix? Holla. Richard, holla from Ola. Ola. I thought you were saying Hollow. Ola was your first name. It's been a long day, guys. Ola from Flagstaff, Arizona. Nice. Got a buddy that lives just outside Phoenix. Thoughts on ABTX? ABT. Did you mean to put that X in there, or was that an accident? If you're talking about Arc Block, I mean, I am a fan of Arc Block. I think it's going to do fantastic, to be honest with you. We got into this on the member side. Geez, guys, must have been like 5 months ago or something like that, right? Something like that. So yeah, no, very bullish on Arc Block for sure. Great play, great project. George, thanks, brother. Hey, anytime, George. I got your back all the time, brother. My portfolio is all split between Ondo and JASMY. If Ondo leads the RWA narrative for the few years, it could be amazing. I think Ondo has a good chance of doing that, Richard. Honestly, man. I mean, you know, their association with BlackRock, it's just big things coming for it, man. Big things coming for Ondo. The tokenization of all things is definitely right down Ondo's alley, and that's the direction we're heading in. So the use case is just, it's going to fit the narrative moving forward, right? So JASMY's been up around 30 cents. And the team has members from the Leaders of Sony. Absolutely, man. Patrick with the gifted membership. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, man. As always, you're awesome, brother. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Guys, if you want to be a member of the channel, make sure you're clicking the link in the chat. We just did a members only live stream earlier today where we dropped a couple of gems. Definitely worth checking out, man. Hey, boss, I bought ADA at 2 cents and rode it up to $3 last cycle. Nice. That is what we call a freaking win, man. Congratulations on that. Milana, nice. Nice. In the house. Bonsoir. Robert, what's up, buddy? Milana, Philippines. Yes, I love it. Squirt Reynolds, I'm late. 50 push-ups, brother. Props. That's awesome, brother. Yeah, absolutely, man. But JASMY's going to do the same thing, same morning forward. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. XCN, yes, we're loving XCN, man. Jackie, you've been in Arc Block since $1.62. Nice. You got some nice profits going on, man. Epic. I'm tired, Richard. 100. Holy smokes. That's warm. $3 would be wild. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. New kid on the blockchain. I was Bitcoin. Which I wish Bitcoin would start the show already. I know, man. A lot of people getting impatient, man. Richard gifting out another membership. Thank you so much, brother. You're the man. I swear, you are the man, brother. That is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, man. Agreed, bro. Blockchain and future tokenization. Amen. Yeah, absolutely, man. Ondo all the way. We were telling people about Ondo back when it first launched over on the Patreon. We were telling you guys, get into it, man. Get into Ondo. It's going to be big. Same thing with SEI Network, Proppy, all those kind of plays, right? Very hot today, dude. Yeah, no kidding, man. Philip, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good morning. Thanks, Patrick. Jay, low cap tips for the crew. Waffles 30 million market cap, and Da Vinci 4 million market cap. Have a look, guys, and then again in 2 months. Crew waffles. Is this the one you're talking about? $43 million market cap. Oh yeah, yeah. And it's on Solana. I assume it's a meme coin, right? Yeah, cat theme meme coin. Okay. It's on Radium, 2bit, Orca. Okay. Nice little opportunity there. Nice little opportunity. Absolutely, man. I'm melting. Can't imagine Phoenix right now. My wife is from Davao City, Philip. Nice. Mora, not so easy to buy. LOL. Well, it's because it's only listed on like MetaMask right now. But those kind of plays, man, like those are early opportunities because here's the thing, right? When they start getting listed on and they will, make no mistake about it, right? These exchanges, decentralized ones, and I'm not even talking about the big ones, right? I'm not even talking about like Binance and stuff. Like, look, it's only listed on MEXC right now, right? But you're going to start seeing like KuCoin and LBank and BitTrue and project and exchanges like that, Gate.io. They're going to start listing it, right? This medium-sized centralized exchanges, and that's when liquidity is going to start coming into the project. That's when it's going to start getting bought up and stuff like that. So being in now is amazing to just hold it and wait for those listings to come, right? It's going to be fantastic. Armed to fight you. What's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. I'm doing good, man. I'm doing pretty good today. It's kind of a quiet Sunday, though. Does your memberships give additional videos and more plays earlier? The memberships, we do members only live streams on Sundays. We actually did one today, and we drop like micro cap gems, small cap gems. I dropped 2 gems on the members today in the live stream. So yes, if you become a member, you can actually go back and watch the other live streams we did on Sundays. But then every Sunday afternoon we do a members only live stream as well. So yes, you do get that, and I drop a couple of videos throughout the week for members only as well. Same thing with the Patreon. I drop a lot of content over on the Patreon that's Patreon only content. So yes, you do get unique stuff for sure. And it supports the channel as well, right? So my wife is from Doves. Okay, read that more. Yeah, Rob, how you doing? Okay, where are we here? Yep, I walked in at 1 mil. Wow, 43. Nice. That's a win, man. Rob, how long you been in crypto investing trading? This is my third cycle, my third 4-year cycle. So quite a while, man. Is Da Vinci's cat? He's back in it. Nice. Oh my God, can't type. Sorry, I called it waffles at 1 million, but only put in a little. No worries, brother. In what price range will JASMY accumulate this summer, you think? I mean, it's gonna stair step its way up. There's not gonna be like one range, right? It's gonna spend some time where it is right now, and then it's probably gonna break up. Once it breaks 5 cents, it's probably gonna accumulate somewhere between that 9 9 to 11 cent range probably, and then we'll probably see a run up between 20 and 25 cents, and it's gonna probably consolidate there. Very similar to what KASPA's doing right now, right? KASPA did the same thing. It broke up above a penny, shot up to like 2-3 cents, spent a significant amount of time consolidating at like 3 cents. Then it shot up to like 8 cents or something like that, 7-8 cents. Then it shot up to like 18 and then pulled back down to like 12-13 cents consolidated. That's a similar thing to what JASMY's going to do, right? So yeah, I'm buying today with this with the second gem from today, maybe the first gem as well, reviewing. Nice. Yeah, I was really excited about the second one there too. JASMY, Filecoin, ICP, XRP, and CRV are jumping in my bags. Nice. All fantastic projects. Every single one of them, man. That's a good collection you got. Rob, you're a crypto veteran for sure. Thank you so much. Custom Crypto, how are you? I'm good, man. I'm good. What is your spell token price prediction? Honestly, I don't really have one for spell. I mean, I've been asked for it a couple of times, but I haven't really done too much of a look into it because I'm scared when it comes to the algorithmic stablecoin that's in their ecosystem, right? So, I mean, do I think it could smash its all-time high? Of course. I mean, let's say 20, 25 cents, I think it could get to realistically, maybe a little bit higher, something like that. So it's kind of where I see it going. John, blessings, H-bar thoughts. I love H-bar, brother. Love H-bar. A lot of collaborations through the bear market. They have some sort of collaboration in Saudi Arabia. They have a partnership with Algorand Foundation. They also partnered on a committee with XRP, Ledger, Algorand again, Constellation, and like 2 others I can't remember. But HBAR's been doing a lot. They've really been doing a lot. So yeah, very bullish. Probably $1.50, $2 for HBAR is roughly where I would probably target. Patrick, you're doing a wonderful thing giving out Rob's memberships to people. God will bless you with wonderful heart. Absolutely. Absolutely. How many total different cryptos do you own? Me? Oh, geez. Probably between 20 and 25. But over on the Patreon, my entire portfolio is broken down over on the Patreon as well. In fact, I just did a video updating my JASMY profits, where I am in terms of profits on JASMY right now in my portfolio. I did that. I put that video over on the Patreon, I want to say yesterday. So, yeah. Element Rage, what's up, man? Just grabbed a nice bag of XCN with my Brett profits. Excited for this one. Nice. Yes, me too, man. Thanks for your wisdom. Hey, no problem, John. I got you covered, brother. I don't have Patreon. Patreon is a thing that you kind of join. It's like a group you join. You don't have to have a Patreon. You basically join my Patreon, right? I'll put the link in the chat for you. It's generally down in the description of every video, but I'll put the link in the chat for you guys. So the link is in the chat now. If you guys want to join the Patreon, go ahead, jump over there. You get a unique Patreon only content over there. My portfolio breakdowns over there. I do my portfolio updates over there as well. Where do you think JASMY will go by 2025? I think JASMY could hit between $1.50 and $2, honestly, by the end of this bull run. This bull run is going to be so much bigger than a lot of people think that it is. That's the thing, guys, that's kind of, falling by the wayside here is that, I see a lot of these people doing price predictions and stuff like that. But the problem is that they're not really considering, what the total asset classes, market cap's going to be. Like, if they think that, we're almost right now, we're almost at the same high point we were at the peak of the last bull run in terms of market cap for the whole asset class. So, I mean, it's almost $3 trillion, which was roughly the peak last time, right? And the peak of the bull run. We're not even started the bull run yet, right? So I'm thinking closer to $14-15 billion, or sorry, $trillion, billion dollars, $trillion for the asset market. So a lot of these altcoins are going to go way higher than people think that they are, right? Hey Rob, Jasmy's pumping again. Are we pumping again? It's okay. It's kind of going sideways right now. It's looking okay. 3 cents, 8.9. Not too bad, right? Chilling. Not too bad, man. All right, let's get into some of the news. All right, just give me a second here. As always, guys, if you're new here, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. It'd be awesome to have you stick around. Overcome, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Okay, so, all right, guys, I'm going to jump over to the news. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm just looking at the stochastic RSI on JASMY. One sec, I'll show you guys what I'm looking at here. Hang on. So I'm looking at I'm looking at the stochastic RSI here. As you can see, guys, look how oversold it is down here on the daily. So we could actually see a nice break to the upside here for JASMY sometime tonight. We'll have to stay on top of it, but it's looking pretty good on the daily anyways. What about the 4 hour? Yeah, same thing on the 4 hour. Same thing on the 1 hour. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, guys. $1 to $2. Let's go. Absolutely, man. Jackie, you can definitely out pumpers. I've blocked so many channels for useless information. I recently came across yours and appreciate your details and insight. Thank you, Jackie. I appreciate you. I appreciate that. Thank you for saying that. And it's awesome to have you here, by the way. Okay, so let's get into some of the news here, guys. We're gonna talk about it, see what's going on out there today. So as usual, wait, what do we got here? Jackie, same for me. Love Rob's videos. Thank you so much, guys. That's absolutely awesome. I love that I can actually put something out there that people enjoy watching. That's the thing, right? So that's amazing, guys. Thank you so much. All right, guys, as usual, at this time, when I jump over to the news, like I say, Alex joins the member side. Welcome to the members, my friend. We just did a members only live stream today. So go back and watch that after this. We dropped a couple of microcap gems over there you might want to have a look at. And make sure you're here on Sundays for the live streams, man. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for joining the member side. All right. So like I usually say at this time, guys, I'm going to jump over to the news. Like I said, we're going to cover it all. If you want to get my attention, if you have a question that you need answered, I'm not ignoring you or anything like that, but I'm reading the news. So if you want to get my attention, fire me your question over in a super chat, and I will get right to it immediately. So let's get into the news here. JASMY coin, JASMY crypto. So JASMY's coming for that top 10. I agree, guys. It's coming for the top 10, baby. If Cardano can do it, JASMY can as well. We got the whole country of Japan on our backs and more. Absolutely, man. A lot of people have been asking me that question. Do I think that JASMY can break inside the top 10? Well, let's have a look. Just going to have a brief look at the top 10, guys. Now, listen, normally I exclude stable coins because, I mean, they're stable coins, right? So they don't really count. So what projects out of the top 10? I honestly think that JASMY, see, here's the thing, guys. Actually, I'm gonna go a little bit deeper. Hang on a sec. I'm gonna go a little bit deeper here. little bit deeper here. I'm going to show you something, okay? Oh, well, that's no good. Hang on, hang on. This is an example, okay? So we're looking at the top 10 right now, right? We're looking at the top 10 as it sits today. So obviously we've got Bitcoin, we've got Ethereum. Again, we'll not include the stable coins, okay? We got BNB, Solana, Lido, XRP, Doge, Toncoin. So we're just going to go through a few of them here, okay? So Cardano, SHIB, AVAX, right? So look at those projects, okay? Some of them are pretty similar to what was close to the last bull run, okay? So now I want to show you something from 2017, okay? And this is going to happen every bull run, guys. Projects are going to be replaced, right? So number one was Bitcoin. Number two was Ethereum. Number three was XRP. They were calling it Ripple at the time, but XRP. Number four, Litecoin. Number five, Bitcoin Cash. Number six, Monero, right? Number seven was Dash. Number 8 was Zcash. Number 9 was IOTA. Number 10 was Neo. How many of those projects are still in the top 10 now? Right? 1, 2, 3. That's it. 3. 3 of the projects from the 2017 bull run that were in the top 10 are in the top 10 now. Okay? And the reason that I show you that is because as much as we love some of these projects, right, as much as we believe in them because of recency bias, okay, projects, for example, like I know BNB is having a good time right now and stuff, but projects like BNB, eventually Solana, Lido, XRP, as much as I like XRP, right, Dogecoin, Toncoin, Cardano, SHIB, AVAX, these projects are going to be replaced with newer projects, guys, as much as we like them. Right? I showed you 2017. Look at now, right? You're going to start seeing stuff like JASMY, KASPA, stuff like that entering the top 10, bumping these ones down, right? A lot of those projects from 2017, you don't even hear about anymore. Some of you guys probably don't even know what the hell they are. Like some of you guys probably never heard of Neo or Zcash or Dash or Monero or Litecoin, or well, you probably know what Litecoin is, but you get what I'm saying, right? So the same thing's going to happen, guys. A lot of these are going to be replaced, right? As much as we love them because of recency bias. So again, can JASMY make it into the top 10? Of course it can, right? A lot of these projects will be rotated out of the top 10. KASPA, same thing, right? A lot of these projects. Swift, who knows, right? So just to give you guys a little bit of an example. All right, what else do we got? We got Ripple's Brad Garlinghouse throwing some shade over at Dogecoin. Let's listen in, and then I'll give you my opinion on what he said.
It's shocking to me that the United States, the largest economy in the world, represents, the bottom decile of regulatory clarity. I think when you get the real unlock of the United States economy and you get the real institutional money flowing in, I think it's just hard to predict some of the upside opportunity. But the biggest thing I'll highlight, and like, where does this go? We have to be about more than speculation. You know, I get a ton of when I say these things, but I'm going to say it anyway. I don't think Dogecoin has been a good thing for the industry. And I'm not anti-Dogecoin. But it's like, I don't know what the use case is. I don't know, like, are there projects being built to solve real utility? And I see lots of real utility across lots of different, chains. And I think that is what is critical. And what's for me, the 10-year prediction has to be about, it's not about speculation. It's about solving real problems.
And I agree with them because I do think that is the direction that crypto is going in, is real utility. We will end up seeing a utility-based bull run. But in saying that, I disagree with what he said on one level when it came to Dogecoin. Now, I don't hold Dogecoin. I probably will hold some Dogecoin at some point, but these meme coins, while I do think that eventually they need to have their own kind of niche, their own kind of thing, kind of separate from utility plays, which I think that ETFs will cause that separation. But they're good for the industry as a whole, as a net whole, because they bring a lot of people into crypto, right? So like take XRP Army, for example. Probably a good 25% of the people who are in XRP probably came into crypto because of Dogecoin or Shiba Inu or something like that, right? And then they stuck around for the utility. They started to learn, oh crap, I should buy some of these utility plays and stuff, right? So we have to at the same time respect and be thankful for the fact that they're onboarding, these meme coins are onboarding a lot of new retail investors, even whales, even institutional people. You see them buying stuff like Pepe and stuff like that, right? So it is a serious thing in this asset class, right? It's become a very important part of it, and onboarding new users and stuff like that is a fantastic use case in and of itself, right? So that's kind of my thoughts on that. What do we got? Crypto Voss says his daily reminder of his price predictions for this bull run. He says Bitcoin 100,000 plus, Ethereum 10,000, BNB 1,000, meme, I don't know what that is, but $1,000 a coin. WAN 100 bucks. Voxel 100 bucks. Mina, I do like Mina, 100 bucks. XRP 10 bucks plus. Cardano 10 bucks. JASMY $3, baby, $3. That would be phenomenal. Doge, a tenth of a cent, 201. Absolutely, man. I could settle for a $3 JASMY. I could settle for that. I don't know about you guys, but that would be acceptable for me, right? So, what else do we got? Steph says history is repeating for JASMY on the weekly time frame. 30 cents to 33 cents within the next few months wouldn't surprise me. As you can see, guys, again, yes, we broke through this resistance level. We've now reestablished it as support, and we are working our way back up. Look what happened last time, guys, in the last bull run. Made it up to 31 cents. Are you ready for that stretch, guys? Are you ready for that stretch? This is the weekly time frame. So that happened in about, I don't know, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 8 weeks, 8 or 9 weeks. Fantastic. Very, very fantastic. All right. What else do we got? Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, ASI coin, guys. Check out their new logo. They said this emblem symbolizes the token merger of Singularity Net, Fetch AI, and Ocean Protocol, representing the unity of our strengths and dawn of the era of AI. By combining our resources, we've created a force to challenge big tech's control over AI development. The ASI Alliance ensures the AI advancements benefit humankind, not just a select few corporations. Join us pushing boundaries of AI, working towards the future where technology enhances the lives of everyone. Guys, I'm probably going to ape in pretty heavy to this when the merger happens in about 3 days. I'm probably going to ape in pretty big. That's just me. I don't know, because I think that there'll be a little bit of a sell the news event, and that's when I'm going to pounce, right? Like a lion with the deer in the hoof. I'm gonna kill it, right? I'm gonna crush it. So, absolutely. All right, what else do we got? Boom, check it out, guys. 3 large spot Bitcoin inflow spikes in the last hour, guys. This was today. Check this out. A lot of ETFs were purchased at 3 separate times throughout today, guys. More positive inflows for the ETFs. It just doesn't stop. And you'll love to see it, right? Check this. I've been tracking this with you guys for about 4 days now, right? $4.3 billion in shorts will be liquidated if Bitcoin moves above 73K, guys. Do you have any idea what's going to happen to the price of Bitcoin if $4.3 billion in shorts gets liquidated at 73K? Price is going to go bananas, 80, 85K. Altcoins are going to run like that, right? It's going to be fantastic. Hopefully it happens very, very soon. I do not feel bad for the people shorting. That's what you get when you play with leverage. So yeah, so this and what the catalyst could be, and I talked about this morning, I believe. We have the CPI data coming in, the FOMC meeting happening this week coming up. I think Wednesday, I want to say. And if that turns out to be bullish, that could be the catalyst to start a jump in the market. And if that jump in the market happens, if Bitcoin starts to run up, hit 73K because of that, boom, short squeeze, skyrocketing price, right? The stars could align on Wednesday, guys. The stars could align. It could be very, very bullish. It's not guaranteed, but it could be amazing, right? Top Bitcoin exchanges, most revealing table. Check it out, guys. This is what we're talking about. Coinbase, 24K BTC. That blows everything else out of the water. Binance is the next close, or not the next closest, but Binance, right? Like look at the holdings of these guys. The balance for BTC for Coinbase, 890 BTC. Binance 581, not even close, right? And this is because Coinbase is custodying the spot Bitcoin ETFs for these hedge funds, right? So you kind of see what's happening here, how it's all getting bought up by these institutions, by these ETF holders, right? Very, very bullish. I keep saying it, guys. I keep saying it. And we got the inverse Bart Simpson on Bitcoin here as well. Another indicator that we'll see more to the upside. You know, if that squeeze happens, guys, oh, boom, here we go, baby. You'd be looking at a run up. Yeah, probably if we can run up to around here, around that 73K range, it's lights out, man. It's lights out for the shorters, for the bears. Burst. All right, what do we got? Ethereum on the brink. Price set to challenge $4,000 amid market volatility. And that's another factor, guys, that we haven't really talked about in about a week or so. These spot Ethereum ETFs are due too, right? So I don't know what the holdup is for Gary and approving these S1 filings, but as soon as those go, man, these Ethereum ETFs are gonna go too. We haven't talked about it in like a week, but they're still lingering over our heads too, right? All right. So, despite experiencing relatively stable intraday movements, Ethereum's price trajectory continues to suggest a potential uptick, with speculation mounting that it could breach a significant psychological barrier of $4,000 in the coming weeks. Analysts point out that Ethereum has maintained the position above the key moving averages, demonstrating resilience in the face of recent market fluctuations. Despite facing selling pressure and the broader decline in the crypto space, Ethereum has managed to hold with a narrow trading range of $3,550 to $3,900 over the past several weeks. The recent resurgence of the bear cartel followed the release of a higher than expected U.S. jobs data and momentarily dampening market sentiment. However, Ethereum bulls are expected to stage a comeback, potentially defying the prevailing sell-off and propelling the cryptocurrency towards higher price levels. Market indicators such as the RSI and Fibonacci retracement levels suggest that Ethereum is well positioned to maintain an upward trajectory. Additionally, notable figures within the crypto community have highlighted factors contributing to Ethereum's bullish outlook. including a decline in Ethereum supply on exchanges and the impending launch of the Ethereum ETF, which could trigger a significant supply shock and drive prices higher. Moreover, recent data indicates a surge in the daily transactions, signaling increasing activity and confidence in the Ethereum network. The rise in futures open interest further underscores growing investor speculation and anticipation surrounding Ethereum's future price movements, while immediate support levels for Ethereum are identified at $3,620 and $3,500. Key resistance 3,800 and 3,980. So, guys, as it pertains to JASMY, if we can break 5 cents before the Ethereum ETFs go live, holy crap, is JASMY going to fly past that 9 to 10 cent level? It's going to fly past it with that news, guys, because it's an ERC20 token. You got to keep that in mind, right? So we're going to stay on top of it, though, as we always do. All right, Bitcoin approaches 70K milestone. Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, is experiencing a significant upward movement, aiming for the $70,000 threshold. Altcoins are beginning to recover from recent losses. The market direction is expected to become clearer once the 3-year median interest rate forecasts for cryptocurrency are priced in. On June 7th, Bitcoin experienced a sharp decline from 72K, largely due to the economic indicators such as the unexpected rise in wage growth and non-farm payrolls surpassing expectations by nearly 100,000. Despite these setbacks, the Federal Reserve is not expected to overemphasize these minor economic hiccups. The Federal Reserve is not anticipated to cut interest rates in June, with the first potential reduction likely in September. However, with inflation data forthcoming, investors are expected to proceed with caution over the next few days. But I would kind of add a caveat there, guys, that 3 countries have cut rates by 25 basis points in the last 4 days. So that may affect the Fed's decision-making process here when it comes to cutting rates, possibly in July, right? Drawing strength from the 20-day exponential moving average, Bitcoin bulls maintain a $68,600 level, preventing a significant pullback. With Bitcoin nearing 70,000, buyers are taking advantage of lower price levels. Should the bullish scenario play out, Bitcoin could aim for the all-time high of 73,777 and eventually target 80,000. Surpassing the $80,000 mark could pave the way for Bitcoin to reach 88,000 and even 6-figure price levels. However, should the support level fail, a decline to 65,800 could intensify, but it did not fail. We closed above 69,000, so we remain bullish. Yes, we closed 69,400 and something, so very, very bullish close. So we're good there. The key takeaways, Bitcoin is stabilizing above 68,600, indicating bullish momentum. Inflation data release will be a critical for short-term market movements, and we talked about that, I believe, Wednesday. Potential targets include 73,700 and 80,000, and beyond. Provided support levels hold. A failure to maintain support, but we did not fail to maintain support, so it's irrelevant. And that goes into BNB coin. So yeah, so very, very bullish, guys. We did have the close that we needed. We stayed above that crucial support level at 68.6. We're actually closed well above that at 69.4, I believe. So the bullishness shall continue. All right, what else do we got? Let me just pause here for a second, see what's up. And make sure you guys are smashing that subscribe button. Be great to have you. Stick around, right? Join the family. Be awesome. All right, so what else do we have? We'll take a break because we got one more article to go through, but we'll take a quick break and we'll have a look over at the Dixie, which she's not going to do much until Monday, guys. She's not going to do much till tomorrow. It doesn't look good. I hate seeing this. We need to see a complete collapse here. And I'm sure it will happen, but not until tomorrow, right? So it's just going to sit here like this, ugly, looking ugly, right? Now, if this was Jasmy's price chart, it would be gorgeous, right? So, yeah. And of course, Bitcoin dominance holding strong sideways here at 55%. It's actually up 0.01% on the day. We need this to completely collapse with the Dixie as well. That would be fantastic. So here we go. Here's the chart we have for the Bitcoin dominance. Again, holding this level here, guys. We're outside of the rising wedge pattern, though, however, so we are waiting to see this collapse, and it is coming. Make no mistake about it, guys. It is coming. Patience is key, right? So, yeah. All right. You know what? Let's go back over to the chart, and I will get back into some of the comments. Okay. Kevin says, welcome new members. Also check out the Discord. Yes, absolutely, brother. Absolutely. Dumb Money, yeah, Rob, you are real. Thank you so much, Dumb Money. I appreciate that, man. Research legend, Rob. Nice. Thank you so much. David, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, brother. Is Swift considered an older project? I mean, yes and no. They've kind of revamped. They've changed a lot of things. So, yes, it's making something old new again, I suppose. 2020, 2021 was what I would look at is the market cap, William. Nice and low, right? 2021 was the bull run of useless meme coins. 2025 is the bull run of utility coins. Hopefully. Yeah, Larry Fink thinks RWA are the future, and he's made some predictions in the past, which made BlackRock unfathomable amounts of money. I agree. That's this whole Texas Stock Exchange thing is being backed by BlackRock, right? So it should definitely be pretty good. But you are right. The meme coins do bring general population into crypto. Yeah. Memes are pump and dumps. A lot of money can be made. I wouldn't discount them. They require their own style of trading. Yeah. Oh, exactly. That's why they need their own kind of like exchanges and their own kind of, they need their own kind of regulation so that there's no more rug pulls and stuff like that, right? So people can trade in those projects safely without getting rugged. That would make memes even better, right? Just found a gold-backed crypto I can swap on Ledger. Paxos Gold. Really? I'm not using the USD since it will be devalued in the next few years. No, not a bad idea. What else do we got? Andy, good as usual. Thanks, bro. Awesome. Soulboy, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. WF Capital in the house. Living in Central Florida, Jasmy Swift and XCN until I die. 100%, man. Juan, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Welcome in. Thank you, Rob, for your work. Getting Swift when I did. I missed Jasmy at an early entry. I feel like Swift will follow Jasmy. Oh, 100% it will. 100% it will. I agree. KK, what's up, buddy? Buying everything I can before the switch flips. Yes. Zach, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Jasmy Scam family, what's up, man? Be sure to drop a like on the video, guys. Show some support. It costs nothing. Yes, absolutely. I agree. XSIN, look up. It's a bull moon. Nice. I like it. All right, guys. Yes, we. I don't know if I told you guys, but we actually. I think I told you we actually broke 1 million views about a week ago, guys. You believe that? We broke 1 million views on YouTube. Crazy. I never thought we'd get there as fast as we did. So that's awesome from you guys, man. Right? Do we expect a retracement on Jasmy's price? I actually did a video on that, talking about that. I believe it comes up tomorrow morning. But right now we're trading sideways. We're right now we are consolidating at a very, very nice level. That's what I would say. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's actually really good. As you can see, we're starting to see the stochastic RSI and the RSI are both starting to cool down. And if we can consolidate while they cool down, that would be fantastic, because then that would mean another leg up is coming, right? So the stochastic is cooled down already on the daily, on the 4 hour, on the hourly. So it's looking good where we are right now. We could just kind of ping pong here for a couple of days. That wouldn't be a bad thing, right? Cody. I haven't looked at Cody in a long time. Holy smokes. Don't get Cody requests very, very often. Cody's a good project. I do like Cody. Almost a $200 million market cap. Most of the supply is in circulation. Yeah, Cody's old school, right? Smart contract platform. Cody is from the last bull run, did really well. 66 cents. I think Cody will definitely go into price discovery mode in this bull run for sure. It's a solid play. Does Swift have top 50 potential? Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. What's up, JASMY family? Liquidity in the house. DXY still pumping. Yeah, I don't think it'll dump until probably Monday or Tuesday, right? When the markets start to open back up and stuff. I think that's when we'll start to see some dump action on the Dixie. About to go volatile week. Yep, absolutely. Christian, do you recommend holding Ondo past the unlock in January or sell before? I would hold. Ondo is a long-term hold, right? For me, because I think that token unlock is just going to get bought right up. It's such a great utility play. RWA, it's going to be one of the top RWA plays for me. I wouldn't bother selling it. For me personally, I'm not selling mine. I'm not selling any of mine. So, Zach, we want to see a bit of a retracement for the handle and the cup. Yeah, I mean, that's exactly it. On the weekly, we do have that cup and handle, right? True is pumping. Is it pumping? Is it true? See what I did there? Which one are you TrueFi? There we go. Yeah, 13%. Nice little pump action going on here. I can dig it. I can dig it. $2. Yeah, having itself a nice little time. Very cool. Very cool. Form. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. All right, guys. Well, that's essentially that's the news, guys, that I have for you. I'm thinking I'm going to go grab a snack, maybe watch a movie. Relax. Got a long Monday tomorrow, guys. We got lots of stuff to get through. This is my third live stream of the day, by the way, too. So as I say, guys, click the like, click the subscribe button, guys. Definitely click the join button or click the link in the chat to become a member, guys. You're going to absolutely love it over there on the member side. You get members only live stream we did today. Dropped a couple of gems over there. Or jump over, join the Patreon. All the support for the channel really, really goes a long way, guys. So definitely thank you so much for that ahead of time. And yeah, follow me on X. The link's down below. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning for the live stream. Thanks for coming, guys. I appreciate you guys. Have a good one.